Hello and welcome to Jeeb's Garage version 3.0. Today I thought it would be a good time to do a little bit of maintenance on my Sur Ron. This is not a maintenance item that I have to do yet, but I probably should. And the reason being, I actually was on a ride recently, ended up knocking off my chain. In that process, somehow I must have caught something, and it actually pushed the motor down on the adjustable mounts just enough, created a whole bunch of tension on the primary belt. I couldn't do anything about it while I was riding because I didn't have tools with me, and I did have to ride home, albeit slowly, with the belt at extreme tension. I know that that's not great for the belt. Also, this belt has like 1,500 miles on it. It's been abused. I'd rather it not break while I'm out on a ride. So I thought, all right, now's the time. And here we go. The biggest issue with changing the belt on this bike is that there is kind of a proprietary nut holding on. I didn't have the right tool, so I thought about ordering it, but I kind of thought about it late. It also costs like 30, 40 bucks. So I made this. I've seen other folks do similar things. I used a Dremel. It took me about 15 minutes. And as you can see, there you go. Comes right off. That was really the only catch to getting this all apart. And I'm gonna go ahead and proceed. Parts are all off. I found it easier to just cut the old belt because I was getting frustrated and I was replacing it. To be honest, it's not as bad as I would have thought, but then again, I really don't know how much wear and stretching it's gone through. New belt won't be too bad. Cleaned up some of these parts a bit. I just got some of the grime and grease off while it was apart. And really now is gonna be the time to get it back together. Well, it took a little longer than I expected. It wasn't overly difficult necessarily, but it was hard to line up the swing arm axle and the belt and all that stuff all at once, especially since there's a couple little spacers in there that are a little bit difficult to stay in place. I ended up using speaker wire to kind of hold it all together, and then the speaker wire kind of got stuck, and I don't know, if I did it again, I'd probably be faster. Overall, anybody with the tools should be able to do it. And the bike, she's back to good. Belt feels nice. Happy ride.